Hi, for this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to insert an opt-ins form into our WordPress site. So I'm going to go to my WordPress site and I'm going to scroll down to plugins. Click on the tab and I'm going to go to Add New. Then in my search box I'm going to type in Aweber opt-in and click on Search Plugins. And here at the top you'll see the Aweber footer slide up. And this is going to allow a pop-up to slide up from the bottom that allows people to subscribe to your WordPress blog email list. So let's go ahead and click on Install Now. Click OK and click on Activate Plugin. Next I'm going to click on Settings and I'm going to scroll down until I find Aweber Footer Slide Up. And I'm going to click on that to change my settings. In the tagline box, you can either enter a tagline of your own or you can leave it with the default, which is subscribe by email for updates. I'm going to go ahead and put subscribe to my email list. And here we're going to need to put in the HTML code of our Aweber form. So let's go into my control panel for my Aweber site and I'm going to go to Web Forms. Here's my web form, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it and I'm going to go to Publish. This time we're going to take a look at the I will install my form, and you can use the JavaScript or the HTML. I'm going to use the HTML and I'm going to click so it copies all of my code, right click and hit copy, or if you're using Mac you can click Command and copy. Then I'm going to go back into my WordPress and I'm going to paste my code. Underneath we have more settings. We can click that we don't want to show the name field, and this is if you only want the email field in the form. If you decide to use that, make sure that your Aweber form does not require a name in the required fields. Next, you can click whether you want to not include jQuery through the plugin, don't show Close for Now link, and the Close for Now link, if this is checked, and your Close for Now link will actually hide your slider from the current session on each page of your blog. If the user decides to close the blog and reopen it, the slide up will come up one more time. We also have Don't Show, Never Show Again link that you can click. Don't include plugin CSS, and I have added the CSS to my theme file, and that's if you already have your CSS. And it shows you right here that that CSS is actually saved in a style file just for Aweber. You'll also need to copy and paste these two images into your Aweber style file if that's the one you're going to be using. Next, the default value in the name field, the default value in the email field, default value in the submit field, tracking image URL of a Weber web form, tracking image URL of the Aweber web form, and the header image URL. And these ones down at the bottom are all optional. And then you'll click on Save Changes. And our settings have been saved. So let's go ahead and take a look at my WordPress page. And down here you see subscribe to my email list. And as we've set it, you can go ahead and close it for now or never show it again. And all of the colors and everything in here are what we were looking at in our CSS. So that's how you go ahead and put an Aweber form into your website, so when people come to it they can automatically subscribe and their information will be put into your Aweber list, so you know that the people who are coming to your site want to get more information from you. So that's how we put in a WordPress Aweber form. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you at the next one.